Hello everyone. Today I'm introducing a famous Korean traditional hangover soup called Yangpyeong Haejangguk. Unlike simple mukbang videos that just show eating, I'll teach you how to properly enjoy it and share its origin story. I also prepared a special sauce recipe to make your Haejangguk even tastier, so please watch until the end. Yangpyeong Haejangguk is a representative Korean hangover soup known for its deep, rich broth and generous portions of various beef offal, blood, bean sprouts, and dried radish greens. While it's famous for soothing your stomach after drinking, it's also loved as a hearty meal any time of day. The roots of Yangpyeong Haejangguk can be traced back to the Joseon dynasty. Yangpyeong in Gyeonggi province was historically a region where many cows were raised, leading to the development of hangover soup made with beef offal and blood. In the late 1960s, a grandmother in Saine village, Yangpyeong became famous for selling soup made from beef offal and bones to laborers, which eventually spread nationwide. Now, let's make a special sauce to enjoy with Yangpyeong Haejangguk. First, prepare a small bowl with a little bit of wasabi. Next, add 1 spoon of minced chili. Then, pour in 2 swirls of chili oil. After that, sprinkle a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything together well. Your special dipping sauce is ready. This sauce is perfect for dipping the meat and offal from the soup. When your haejangguk arrives, first take out some of the offal and other solid ingredients and dip them into the sauce you just made. The chewy texture of the offal combined with the spicy sauce creates a wonderful harmony of flavors. Koreans really enjoy eating it this way. After eating some of the solid ingredients, try mixing rice into the remaining broth. The combination of broth and rice is hearty and satisfying. If mixing rice is too much for you, you can also dip small spoonfuls of rice into the broth and eat it bite by bite. Both methods let you enjoy the true essence of Korean hangover soup. In Korean Haejangguk restaurants, it's common to drink water from an empty rice bowl after your meal. After finishing the soup or rice, pour some water into the empty bowl and take a sip. This is also part of Korean dining culture. Today, I introduced the origin of Yangpyeong Haejangguk, how to make a special sauce, and the proper way to enjoy it. I hope this experience goes beyond just eating and helps you appreciate the history and culture behind the food. I'll be back with more delicious and interesting Korean food stories soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. If you have any Korean dishes you're curious about, leave a comment below. Thank you.